In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your online status and your last active status on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then tap right here to go to your Instagram profile page. Tap Add 3 lines and select Settings and Privacy. After that, at the very top, we can easily find this search box. We just need to tap on it and search for activity. You can just enter active in that way. That's how you can easily find Show Activity Status, and that's where we can enable or disable that option. If this button turned on, it allows accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active, and basically if you would like to hide your online on Instagram, you need to turn that off. Just tap at that button and basically that's it.